Good afternoon, Bicolanja. We are now down to our last game this Saturday. It's the Annunciation Panthers versus the ACC Green Serpents at kasama niyo pa rin po kami. Walang sawang maghahatid po sa inyo ng mga aksyong laban dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. I am Christina Alcanzo Reyes and with me is Rick Puerta.
Ayan, talagang nabanggit mo kanina, an intense match dito sa ating final match or ika-apat na match dito sa ating Saturday quadruple match. It's between the Annunciation Panthers and the ACC Green Serpents. So, it feels like a deja vu, but here on the quarterfinals, not on the final stage of our Bucal Season 6. Because again, for the information of all, itong dalawang kupunan na po ito ang nagharap on that Season 5 sa ating finals match. So ngayon, parang finals na rin ang feels ng dalawang kupunan na ito because maghaharap sila sa knockout quarterfinals, a winner or go home situation at this moment.
Yes, and of course, yung mga fans ng dalawang kupunan ito, parang hinihintay nila na maglaban during the final round of the Bucal Season 6. But now, kahit na siguradong magandang laban pa rin yung ibibigay nila sa atin during the playoff round. And pag-usapan muna natin tong ating Annunciation Panthers. They are the defending champion of our Bucal Season 5 for our seniors division. At ngayon naman kaya, can they maintain their ranking or can they defend their title against the ACC Green Serpents ngayong quarterfinals na ito? And to hear an update at kung sino nga bang kasama ngayon ng ating courtside reporter na si Rain. Hi Rain, anong update natin dyan?
Rick and Scene, good afternoon. We are now at the last match for this Bucal Season 6. Now, kung matatandaan nga natin, these two teams already faced off last season during the finals, but this time, they will be facing off on the quarterfinals, which means only one of them will advance to the semifinals. Now, para malaman on the side of the Panthers, let me call on the best coach of Bucal Season 5, Coach Ron Halmanzar, the head coach of the Panthers. So, Coach, good afternoon. Ano naman ang mga naging adjustments at dagdag trade para paghandaan ang laban na ito?
Actually, may konting adjustments na kami in terms of defense and offense. Actually, konti lang naman. Pero so far, yung ginagawa namin since elimination, ganun pa rin.
And of course, as the head coach of the Panthers, ano po ang expectation mo sa magiging laro nila ngayong araw?
Hopefully, na maging maganda yung nila ngayon. Actually, nakita ko naman yung composure nila, maganda naman. And depende yan, sabi ko sa kanila, depende sa kanila kung gusto nila manalo kasi sila magtatrabaho. Yeah, well, yun yan.
Now, Coach, talagang kaabang-abang ang laro ng Panthers. Kaya naman I am telling you to invite the Sorsoganon or the people of the province of Sorsogon na manood sa laro nyo ngayong araw.
Unang-una, pasalamatan ko yung school namin headed by our dean, si Ma'am Jean Dioda. At sa lahat ng Sorsoganon po, sana po, supportahan nyo kami. This game because this is a knockout game. Kaya hopefully na makuha namin for makapasok sa Final Four.
So, thank you, Coach. I wish you and your players the best of luck. Now, this is Bucal Season 6. I am Rain Reyes and I am the courtside resident of the Annunciation College of Bacon Sorsogon. That's it for now, but Senyor, Rick and Team.
Ayan, thank you so much, Rain, for that update. And to Coach Ron Halmanzar, talagang ready and equipped ang kanyang players. And yan nga, napakaganda ngayon ang key points na iniwan dito ni Coach Ron Halmanzar na if they want to win nitong mga Annunciation Panthers players, trabahuhin nila. Hindi it yung magiging complacent sila. And mind you, this is a knockout quarterfinals. So, go home or win this match. Again, to hear an update naman.
At ayan nga Rick, ito pag-usapan muna natin ang ating ACC Green Serpents at napakaganda ng mga performance na nagawa nila during the elimination round. At titingnan natin kung ngayong quarterfinals, talagang madidefend nila yung panalo against the Annunciation Panthers. So again, paulit-ulit, but this is really an excitement. Punong-puno ng excitement ang ating laro ngayong hapon na ito. Kaya naman po sa mga supporters ng ating ACC Green Serpents and Annunciation Panthers, comment down below dahil iso-shoutout po namin kayo maya-maya lamang po. At talagang sisiguraduhin namin na isang magandang laban po ang ating mapapanood ngayong hapon na ito.
Ayan, a little bit of pressure on both sides because it's the battle of the grand champion and the first runner-up on the previous season of Bucal, which is Bucal Season 5. So again, Annunciation Panthers, handang-handa na dito on their side. They're doing some things on their court. And to hear on the other side of things, let's call our courtside reporter, Ali. Hi Ali, sinong kasama mo at anong preparation dyan ng ating ACC Green Serpents?
Hi, Rakantin, and good afternoon, Bicolandia. With Bucal Season 6 looking for the top 4 teams, it all boils down to Season 5's rival with the ACC Green Serpents versus the Annunciation Panthers. Battle it out for today's matchup. A backbone of every successful team is, of course, the coaches. And here with me right now is the assistant coach of the Serpents, Coach Roland. Coach, good afternoon. Now na quarterfinals na. What was your preparation going in for today's game?
Preparation namin yung conditioning ng mga bata kasi nung mga last game namin halos pag fourth quarter talaga kami bumibigay eh. Kaya sabi namin conditioning karga lang ng karga para matapos natin at mapanalo natin yung mga lalaro natin susunod.
Alright, Coach, syempre last game talo ang ACC with the Panthers. Now, for today's matchup, ano naman yung motivation natin for today's game?
Siyempre yung motivation namin, sabi namin sa mga bata, wag lang sumuko. Kung ano man yung mga naging result nung last game, tuloy lang. Ibalik lang yung dati, balik lang yung pagka-basic basketball, maging maglaro ng matalino, at saka syempre magtiwala sa mga kakampi.
Now, Coach, please invite everyone to watch and support the ACC Green Serpents this Bucal Season 6.
Yes po, binabati ko po muna yung Mando Café College community, kay Coach Alter, tsaka kay Tita, sa lahat po ng kay Sir Jeff, sa mga supporters namin sa ACC, yung family ni Coach Badong, family ko, sa asawa ko, sa anak ko, at saka sa family ng mga players.
Alright, Coach, thank you and all the best. Now, this has been the courtside resident of Amando Copy College Green Serpents, Eliza Faith Batesa Respeto, only here on Bucal Season 6, 1 Media TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan nga, handang-handa na nga po ang ating ACC Green Serpents para sa pakikipagbakbakan nila sa ating Annunciation Panthers. At last time nga nasabi dito ni Ali, natalo yung ating ACC against the Annunciation Panthers. So it will be talaga bigay todo ang ating ACC Green Serpents para sa ating quarter-final round. Dahil nga ilang beses na silang nakakuha ng pagkatalo against the Annunciation Panthers. And I think for this quarter-final round, it is time for them to step up and get the win against the Annunciation Panthers.
Ayan, ipinapakilala na nga po sa atin ang first 5 on both teams. And as you can see on our screen, handang-handa na po itong dalawang kupunan na ito. Now, we will start with a tip-off. And the ball possession will go on the side of the Green Serpents. An early foul on the side of the Panthers. Fula on that last sequence. Say to inbound. Now, 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Green Serpents. Braun heavily guarded here. And a great steal para dito sa ating Annunciation Panther side. Bustillo to inbound para dito sa ating Panther side. Passing the ball to Salvacion and now Bustillo. Fires for that 3, no good. Fula, no good on that. Detisho, maaagaw dito ang bola. Detisho to Alminye, no good. Fula securing that one. 10 seconds to shoot para dito sa ating Panther side. Wala pa din para dito sa Panthers. Now Galvez securing that rebound. And a great steal on the side of Panthers. Detisho heavily guarded here. Alminia to Bustillo. Now Detisho ang mayawak ng bola. Salvacion heavily guarded here by Bron. 5 seconds to shoot. Alminia will fire for that 3, no good. And Galvez, matatawagan ng foul on that last sequence.
Now still the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers here. Bustillo to inbound. Or Detisho rather.
Detisho for that long 3 and that's good. Unang 3 para dito sa pagbubukas ng ating first quarter.
No. ACC's basketball. Bona obra. Now, first basket was good para dito kay Keith Benobra. Second free throw. That's good. 2-on-2 para dito kay Benobra. Now, Annunciation on the offense. Detisho. Now, 10 seconds to shoot. Salvador, heavily guarded here, loses that ball. A steal from the side of the Green Serpents. And Bona Obra having 4 points straight on the first quarter of the game here for the side of the Green Serpents. Now, Detisho passes to Salvador. Back to Detisho. Heavily guarded here. Loses it, pero it will stay on the side of the Panthers. Now Salvador to Agminye. Whistled foul.
Bustillo to inbound, passing the ball to Salvacion. And now Detisho. 5 to shoot. A shot clock violation was called on the side of the Panthers.
Now we're still on 3-4 para dito sa ating first quarter of the matchup of the ACC and Annunciation. Now Bona with the ball. Passes to Galvez. 15 seconds to shoot here. Now to the other side para dito kay Nagar. Nagar back to Galvez. Down to 5. Now let's see here. Denied by the Panthers. Pero it will stay on the side of the Green Serpents.
1 second on the shot clock para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpent sides. Now, Almiñe passing the ball to Ditisio. Nagmamadali. And Ditisio. Nice layup on that last sequence.
Babawi dito si Sevillano having that basket with a foul. So a 3-point opportunity for the side of the Green Serpents. Grabe yung palitan ng puntos dito ng ating Annunciation and ACC. On the other side, Ditisio, kahit medyo maliit talagang nilalaban yung mga gwardya dyan ng Green Serpents.
Now, Ditisio with the ball. Passing the ball to Salvacion. Fires for that one. No good. Ball possession will go on the side of the Green Serpents.
Now 6 minutes para sa ating first quarter. Now Boraobra having a 2-point lead from the side of the Green Serpents. Now Galvez goes inside. Walang alintana. And gets that layup. Grabe yung pinapakita ngayon ng ating Green Serpents. Talagang determinado silang makuha yung panalo against the Annunciation Panthers. Now Ditisio against Bonaobra. Passes to Salvador. Back to Ditisio. Grabe. Small but incredible itong Ditisio. Talaga namang pinapakitaan tayo.
And an 8-second violation on the side of the Green Serpents. Now, Fajardo. Ipapasok dito. Dalawang Fajardo. Bustillo. Taking his time looking for his teammate. No good. Nagar securing that rebound.
Now ACC, nagmamadali dito. Sevillano gets that basket again. Talagang tuloy-tuloy dito yung pagpuntos ng ating Green Serpents.
And now Almiñe on the free throw line for an opportunity para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers. And basket for him. One more time for Almiñe.
Now 8-11. Maaga-aga pa, pero nasa penalty na po ang ating Annunciation Panthers. Now let's see here. Nagar with the ball. 2-point lead coming from the side of the Green Serpents. Now jersey number 9 passes to Galvez. Galvez for 3, no good.
Fajardo securing that one, and now Bustillo with that libreng layup. Tied up at 11 para dito sa ating first quarter.
Now let's see ano pabawi dito ng ating Green Serpents. Magandang first quarter po ang ating napapanood ngayon of the matchup of the ACC at Annunciation. Now jersey number 18, Coronejo. Passes to Galvez. Now to the other side. 6 seconds to shoot. Nagar ngayon, papasok. Mid-range jumper. And that's good. Naipasok pa doon sa natitirang oras ng ACC Green Serpents.
Now, ano kaya ang magiging sagot dito ng ating Panther side? Fajardo. Heavily guarded here. And a foul on the side of the Green Serpents.
Tatawagan nga dyan ng foul si jersey number 9, Kabahug. And James Fajardo on the free throw line. And still the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers.
Bustillo to Salvacion. Too strong on that pass. And now, chance for the Green Serpents here to add their score.
Both teams are now on the penalty here. 3 minutes and 47 seconds remaining. Now Galvez passes to Coronejo. Now jersey number 9, Sevillano. 10 seconds to shoot here. Goes inside, loses it. Mark Fajardo was there. Pero nakuha pa rin niya ng ACC Green Serpents. Nagar goes inside for a layup, no good. Coronejo, hindi niya pa nakuha.
And Alminye, no good.
Now, that's a pushing foul committed by Bustillo.
(13-11) on our scoreboard.
Now, Kabahug, first free throw was good. And of course, Rick, gusto lang din nating pasalamatan ang ating mga sponsors sa Wow Worlds of Water, NCF TRC and NCF IMC, Digital Graphics, Biggs, Elite Sportswear and Uniform, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, and Goen Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. Now, Annunciation Panthers on the offense. Alminye passes to Mark Fajardo. Papasok pa sa loob. Basket count with a foul. Big man Mark Fajardo. Now you'll be on the free throw line for a 3-point opportunity. Pero hindi pa na ipasok na. Now, ACC on the offense. Nagar. Snapin dito si jersey number 5. 12 seconds to shoot here. Tries for a 3-pointer on air ball. Pero, a second chance point para dito kay Coronejo.
Fajardo itatawid ang bola sa side ng Panthers. Looking for his teammate. No good on that attempt. And now, Serpents with the advantage.
Beltran for his second free throw here. 13-18. 2 minutes and 26 seconds remaining. 2-on-2 para dito kay Beltran. Now, Panthers on the offense. James Fajardo. At ayun nga, whistled foul. Para dito kay jersey number 10 ng ACC Abiera. Mark Fajardo, first free throw was good.
One more time for Mark. And 2 basket was good.
Now Nagar, 2 minutes and 13 seconds. ACC on the offense. Now let's see here. Heavily guarded by James. Jersey number 10, Abiera. Passes to Coronejo. 8 seconds to shoot here. Beltran to Nagar. 2 seconds. At naubusan na nga ng oras itong ating ACC, but a defensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Mark with that rebound. Passes to James. Now James for the Panthers. James Fajardo denied by Coronejo. Now this is still the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers.
James to inbound.
And Beltran is now down. And the officials will review that last sequence. Grabe, first quarter pa lang talaga. Super intense na yung ating laro ngayon between the ACC and the Annunciation. And with that, Rick, habang hinihintay natin yung ating officials kung ano nga ba yung decision nila on that last sequence, shoutout muna tayo dito sa ating live viewers sa ating Oragon Sports TV Facebook page. Shoutout kay Christian James Bicalan, Nika Bubiles, at kay Christina Valenzuela. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. And of course, sa ating live audience dito dahil nga Rick, yung mga supporters po ng ACC at Annunciation, hindi sila makakapunta dito. Kung kaya, nanonood po sila sa atin ng live na live po sa ating mga media partners and sa Facebook page po ng ating Bucal.
Let's wait kung anong magiging desisyon dito ng ating mga officiating officials. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining for our first quarter. 19-15. Apat po dito ang kalamang hawak ng ating ACC Green Serpents. But both of this squad is on the penalty side.
Doon nga sa mga naunang minuto ng ating first quarter, etong mga players talaga ng ACC talagang nagsistep up, most especially Coronejo na kanina pa talaga from the offense to the defense of the ACC Green Serpents. Nagpapakitang gilas dito. While on the other side, we have James Fajardo as well as Mark Fajardo. At tatawagan nga po ng unsportsmanlike foul si jersey number 13 Bargayo ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Now let's see on the beyond the free throw line. That's good for his first free throw.
Two clean basket para dito kay Beltran. Now, another opportunity to add their lead here. 6-point lead po ang hawak ng kanilang kupunan.
Now, 1 minute and 36 seconds remaining sa ating first quarter. Bonaobra now on the free throw line. 6 na puntos na kalamangan from ACC, making it 7. Now let's see for another free throw of Kit Bonaobra.
Patuloy nga umaarangkada dito ang Serpents now. Foul was called on jersey number 10 sa side ng Green Serpents.
Ayan, Rick, quick shoutout lang tayo dito kay Joshua Magno, kay Evelyn Alcanzar Reyes, at kay Janayla Basales. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay. Now ACC's basketball. Bonaobra passes to the other side, tries, no good. Bron was there, pero Mark Fajardo yung nakakuha ng bola. Now Alminye goes inside, passes to his teammate. Now for a fadeaway shot, no good. Bron with that rebound.
And 3 points
para dito kay Coderes. At dahil dyan, mas lumamang po ang ating ACC Green Serpents by 11. Babawi ba dito ang ating Panthers? Wala pa rin. Beltran with that rebound. Coderes again with the ball. We'll try one more time. Pero foul yung itatawag doon. So he will be on the free throw line para sa 3 free throw na ibinigay sa kanya. Now 34 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. At agad pong nakakuha ng ACC Green Serpents yung kalamangan as well as yung kanilang momentum dito. Coderes' first free throw was good. Now for his second free throw. 2-on-2 na. Now let's see for the final free throw of Coderes. Para mas mapalaki pa dito yung kalamangan na hawak nila. And no good on that last one.
Fajardo to Bargayo, forcing that one. And no good.
Sayang sana yun dito sa ating Panthers, but Bargayo will be on the free throw line for 2 shots. 20 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter. That's good for his first free throw. Now Beltran with the ball. Bron ngayon. Passes to Coderes. 9 seconds to shoot here. Coderes goes inside. Tries. No good.
Bargayo to Fajardo. And now Bargayo makakakuha pa ng foul on that last seconds. Free throw shot para dito kay Bargayo. Basket para sa unang attempt. One more time for Bargayo. And 2 shot was good. And that's the end of our first quarter. We will be right back on our second quarter only here at Taragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And we are back for the second quarter of the matchup of the ACC Green Serpents and the Annunciation Panthers. Nagtapos po tayo sa 18-28 kung saan 10 puntos po ang nakuhang kalamangan ng ating Annunciation or ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now let's see kung ano nga ba maging adjustment dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Now let's see here. Green Serpents with the ball possession. Coderos now with the ball. 15 seconds to shoot here. Bron passes to Coronejo. Now Beltran loses it. Bron was there to save that ball, pero hindi pa naipasok yan. Panthers on the offense. Alminia, libreng-libre.
Bron with the ball. 28-20 on our scoreboard. Nasa pangalawang quarter na po tayo.
Now 4 seconds to shoot here. Nagar goes inside. Pero a foul was whistled there. Now as we can see, the ACC Green Serpents ngayon ay napakaganda ng performance na pinakita nila during the first quarter of the game at dito po sa ating second quarter. Kaya sa pagpapatuloy po ng quarter na ito, ano kaya yung maging adjustment dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents? And to hear an update, andyan po si Ali. Hi Ali, anong balita natin dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the second quarter of this matchup, and with the Serpents' devastating loss last season's finals and their previous game against the Panthers, the boys are more determined than ever to win this matchup. During the dugout, the boys were reminded to keep their energy alive and double your efforts on defense. The key to their win today is to be consistent and hold the positive mindset. Hustle and work without ceasing. That's the update here on the side of the Serpents. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much Ali for that update. So yun nga, napakaganda nga ng performance ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents at napatawag nga ng timeout dito ang ating Annunciation Panthers. So let's see kung ano ang magiging adjustment dito on the side of the Panthers. Now, Rain, anong balita dyan?
Thank you, Rick and team. Simula pa lang, the Panthers already strategized both of their offense and defense because they know that this will be a tough challenge. Giving the opponents a close fight has been the start of this game, but of course, lapses has been found leading them to lose the first quarter. With the second quarter, they were told to exert more effort and have better transitions. Apply defense whenever needed because this is an important part of the game. Folks, this is the Panthers ready to improve at bumawi sa susunod. Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Rain. Ayan nga, to exert more effort on the side of the Annunciation Panthers, most especially na nasa second quarter na tayo ng ating laro. At 12 points po ang hawak ngayon ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Kaya titinan natin kung talagang magagawa ng Annunciation Panthers yung payo sa kanila ng kanilang mga coaches. Now, James Fajardo passes to Mark. Back to James. 18 seconds to shoot here. Now, Alminie. To James Fajardo, a three-pointer, no good.
Green Serpents with an offense. Bunaobra to Galvez. 15 to shoot. And that's good. Another 3 points para dito sa Green Serpents. Now, Annunciation Panthers needs to adjust and step up big time.
Now, Alminie. 15 seconds to shoot here. Passes to the other side. James Fajardo goes inside. No good on that one. Offensive rebound on the side of the Panthers. Tries one more time. No good. Galvez secured that rebound. Ngayon, James steal that ball para dito sa Panthers. Now Alminye goes inside for a layup. Too short for that one. Ang daming sayang na opportunity dito sa side ng Panthers.
James Fajardo. And the ball will remain on their side. Bustillo to inbound, passing the ball to Salvacion. But Mark Fajardo losing that ball. So another opportunity para dito sa Green Serpents to add their score and lead here.
Now, Green Serpents, Nagar loses that ball. Bargayo to James. Talaga namang hindi papaawat itong ating Panthers. Kailangan nilang maging consistent dito at bawasan yung malaking kalamangan ng ating ACC Green Serpents.
But a traveling violation was called on Bustillo. Sayang ulit para dito sa ating Panthers.
Now, Galvez. 12 seconds to shoot here. Now passes here to jersey number 19. And that's a good one para dito sa ating Green Serpents.
But this time, Mark Fajardo babawi din para dito sa ating Panther side. Beltran to Galvez. 15 to shoot. No good para dito kay Nagar.
Now the Tisho back on the court para dito sa ating Panthers. The Tisho, 10 seconds to shoot here. To Salvacion. Bustillo. Medyo nahihirapan itong ating Panthers sa kanilang opensa ngayon. Mas napapalaki yung kalamangan ng ACC Green Serpents.
No good, pero Galvez doing the job. Detisho to Salvacion. 10 seconds to shoot.
At yun nga kanina na-warningan sa technical dito sa side ng coaching staff ng ating Annunciation Panthers at nabigyan na nga po ng technical foul dito sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Now, this is a heated conversations between the officials and the coaching staff of the Panthers. Four minutes and 42 seconds remaining on our first half here. Now Bustillo to inbound. The pass is on the other corner. Tries for a three. An air ball.
Ayan nga, team talagang nahihirapan dito when it comes to their offense. Itong Annunciation Panthers. But on the other side of things naman, ACC Green Serpents nagpapaulan dito ng punto sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium.
Talagang hindi lang yung mga players yung nagkakaintan dito. Now, it will be the ball possession of the Panthers. Bustillo. 15 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Salvacion. Salvacion to Deticio. Now, Coach Halmanzar on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Out of the court here. Now, this is really a heated matchup. An intense one para dito sa ating Annunciation Panthers ng ACC Green Serpents. Grabe. Now, ano yung gagawin ngayon ng Annunciation Panthers? Most especially, wala na si Coach Halmanzar. Big adjustment para sa ating Panthers. Now Deticio to Salvacion. Goes inside. No good. Galvez without rebound. Passes to Nagar. Nagar to Galvez. No good. The Panthers. Was that foul? We're only on the first half of the game pero ang dami nang nangyayari dito. Most especially on the side of the Panthers. Sila pa naman yung naghahabol dito. 24-43. And with the absence of Coach Halmanzar, it will be hard for them. Now Salvacion. 14 seconds to shoot here. Passes to Bargayo. Bargayo still no good on the offense. Back to Bustillo. Bustillo ngayon titira ng tres. Nahihirapan ngayon ang ating Panthers. But Mark Fajardo getting that basket.
Panthers sumisigaw ng depensa dito. ACC with the ball possession. Nagar. May hawak ng bola. Fires for that three. No good. Panthers with the ball possession.
Three minutes and 6 seconds remaining. Mark Fajardo now on the free throw line. (26-43).
Fajardo on that free throw opportunity.
Now Green Serpents on the offense now. Jersey number 9. With the ball possession. Now Coronejo. 12 seconds to shoot here. Beltran. Tubo na Obra. Bustillo with that rebound. Now Mark Fajardo with the ball possession.
Alminia heavily guarded here. And 2 shots will be given para dito kay Alminia. Basket for him. And another one for him.
Now Green Serpents on the offense. Bunaobra. 2 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. Now on the other corner, tries for a 3-pointer. Now Coronejo. A whistle foul.
Fast break para dito kay Mark Fajardo. Now, ACC with the ball possession. And nice move again para dito sa ating Panther side at mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ang ating ACC Green Serpents. 34-43 on our scoreboard. Baliktaran sa ating scoreboard.
And now, naibaba na nga po yung kalamangan dyan ng ating ACC Green Serpents. And also, ito yung kailangan na gawan ng paraan ng ating Annunciation Panthers with the absence of Coach Halmanzor. Ano kaya yung magandang maipapakita dito ng mga players ng ating Annunciation Panthers? And of course, sa performance naman ng ating ACC Green Serpents, talagang bigay todo sila, may it be on the offense or the defense. So it will be a hard gameplay this afternoon dahil dalawang malakas na kupunan, parehong magagaling ang kanilang mga players. Kaya talaga namang nakaka-excite itong continuation ng ating laro na ito for the playoffs of the ACC and the Annunciation. Now, it will be the ball possession of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Bunaobra to Galvez. 15 seconds to shoot here. Broad, may hawak ng bola. Tubasaysay for a big 3 para dito sa ating Green Serpents. Talagang mas pinapalaki nila yung kanilang kalamangan dito. Pero, a whistled foul. Tatawagan dito ng foul si Basaysay. Now, Bustillo on the free throw line. That's good for the first free throw. Now for the second free throw, Bustillo, that's good, 2-on-2. Now Panthers, kailangan mas paigtingin pa yung kanilang depensa dito. Now, Galvez, 1 minute and 15 seconds remaining for our second quarter. Basaysay, double team, passes on the inside, Dagar loses that ball. Great recovery. Now Salvacion without rebound. Ball will stay on the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Hindi pa rin dito nagpapakitang gilas yung mga players ng ating Annunciation Panthers on the outside shooting. And now on the other side, Naga continuously getting a point for the ACC Green Serpents. We only have 33 seconds remaining on our first half. Salvacion for 3. At kakasabi pa lang natin kanina, or it's only 2 points. Now, Green Serpents on the offense. Bron goes inside to Galvez. No good. Mark Fajardo without rebound. Alminye and Nagar nagkakaagawan doon, but the ball will go on the side of the Panthers with only 3 seconds remaining.
At mapapatawag nga ng timeout dito ang Panthers. 3 seconds na lamang po ang natitira sa ating first half. 48-38, 10-point lead ang hawak dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Ayan, thank you po ulit sa ating mga sponsors. We have the Aman Engineering Enterprise, the Skytech Advertising, the Duty Free Philippines, Unibersidad de Sta, Isabel, BMEG, and Department of Agriculture, Bucal. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta.
And now with that only 3 seconds and the Annunciation Panthers na nagkakabol pa rin dito, they need to do something. 38-48, a 10-point lead here. Now let's see, with that last 3 seconds of the first half, what will be the adjustment on the side of the Panthers here? Can they get a point, or we will end the second quarter with the same point? Now ball possession of the Panthers here, with only 3 seconds to shoot.
Two seconds. And a buzzer beater shot para dito kay Alminye. Let's take a look one more time for a triple. And that's the end of our first half. We will be right back for our third and fourth quarter only here at Turagon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
next generation of engineers, the Naga College Foundation College of Engineering focuses on developing the analytical skills of students, hands-on experience, and engagement in technology-based research and innovation. Our top-grade facilities, newly acquired tools and equipment, exceptional faculty, and comprehensive curriculum ensure that students are well prepared to meet the demands of the
Join a community where creativity knows no bounds, where every idea is nurtured and every voice is heard. Discover your path, forge your future, and make your mark in the College of Arts and Sciences, where curiosity meets creativity and every voice is heard. A place where innovation thrives and diversity is celebrated.
Here in CAS, of course, you can be whatever you want to be.
NCF College of Arts and Sciences. Explore, create, transform, and innovate.
Join us and be one of CAS.
Malakas at protektadong manok, unahin ang kalusugan. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon mula sa BMEG Integra. Katangi-tangi ang formulation nito. Meron itong balanseng protina at energy levels. Importanteng amino acids, vitamina at minerals. Siguradong malakas at protektado ang paglaki ng manok ninyo. Dito ka na sa BMEG Integra. Lakas tibay sa balanseng nutrisyon.
Welcome to Unibersidad de Sta Isabel, a place where excellence meets service. Here at USI, we empower our students with knowledge and skills and inspire to make a difference. Begin your journey to excellence and service with us.
eyes on the target because it is time. One target, one mission. Designed for real-world challenges. Unlock your potential today at Naga College Foundation, College of Criminal Justice Education.
And we are back for the third quarter of the matchup of the ACC Green Serpents and the Annunciation Panthers. At nagtapos po ang ating first half with 8-point lead coming from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And as we can see now on the halftime analysis of these two teams, marami-rami po yung naging turnovers dito sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Pero talagang bumawi din sila dito sa kanilang mga second chance points. Kaya hindi naman ganun kalaki yung kalamangan na nagawa dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, it will be the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers and a good start para sa kanilang third quarter dito.
Now, ito na ba yung comeback na hinahanap ng mga fans on the side of the Panthers? Yan ang aabangan natin. Alminia to Salvacion and blocked by Nagar. And now Nagar taking his time here. Benaobra to Bron. And a traveling violation was called on Bron sa last sequence na yon. Sayang pa nga para dito sa ating Serpent side. And on the other side of things, Panthers with that 2 points.
At ayun nga, sunod-sunod na yung magandang momentum on the side of the Annunciation Panthers at niyol ball possession muli ng ating Panthers pero medyo napalakas doon sa ating last sequence. Kaya titignan natin, ano ba yung magandang adjustment dito? Bakit mas nabuhayan yung ating Annunciation Panthers even with the absence of Coach Halmanzar? And to hear an update, andyan po si Rain. Hi Rain, balita natin dyan.
Hello, Rick and team. Unfortunately, due to some circumstances, the head coach is not in any position to help the Panthers now. But of course, this is still his team. He's trained and shaped them to be here today with this. Lalo lang lumakas ang loob ng Panthers and determined to make their coach proud. Nagkukusa at nagsasanib for some players, not just physically, but also mentally. Pusong Panther nga kung sabihin ang nangingibabaw sa kanila ngayon. Communication and teamwork on improving their offense and defense is their main ingredient or requirement for this quarter. Kaya naman, will the Panthers be able to make up for the next quarter? Yan muna ang update. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Rain, for that update. So yun nga, napakalaking impact ang pagkawala dito sa loob ng court ni Coach Almanzar. But again, patuloy ang laban para dito sa Panthers. Now, Salvacion, maaagawan dito ng bola ni Galvez. 4-point lead po ang hawak dito ng kanilang kupunan. Nagar, positioning on that 3-point attempt, pero hindi niya itutuloy. Nagar will try, no good. And now, Alminia. Matatawagan nga ng foul dito ang Green Serpents. And speaking of Green Serpents, ano kayang balita dito sa atin ng ating courtside reporter? Hi Ali, anong balita dyan?
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the third quarter of this matchup, and as per Coach Roland, the Serpents' energy as well as defense usually collapse during the last quarters of the game. However, for today's matchup, they are confident that they will not make the same mistakes. Their will and determination to bounce back and secure their spot is the key to their victory. Last 2 quarters of the game is not the time to be complacent. Focus and keep your mind on the game. That's the update here on the side of the Serpents. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali. Ayan, mas mag-focus itong ating ACC Green Serpents because as we can see right now, medyo nawawala dun sa kanilang gameplay. Ito mga players ng ating Green Serpents. As of the moment, 2 puntos na lamang po yung hinahabol ng ating Annunciation Panthers. And with the ball possession of the Panthers here as James Fajardo goes inside. Pero wala yan. Now, chance for the ACC Green Serpents to get a point here. Nagmamadali, but a traveling violation. And with that, another opportunity arise to the side of the Annunciation Panthers.
And again, substitution para dito sa Green Serpents because again, Panthers is on a row and on a run here para sa ating third quarter. Now, James Fajardo passing the ball to another Fajardo. Salvacion first for that 3, no good. And Green Serpents has the chance to add their score here.
Now, Coronejo goes inside, passes to Galvez. What a great assist and communication between the players of the Green Serpents. Ito lang yung kailangan nila to maintain that momentum on their side of the team.
And now to break that momentum nga, Tin. Beautiful point conversion para kay Galvez. And now, still, para dito kay Beltran. Galvez again. What a great pass, pero no good on that last sequence. Alminye will try for 3. No good. Agawan ng bola dito. And Bustillo to Fajardo, forcing that one more time for Fajardo. And that's good.
Now, just a 2-point lead. What a great third quarter we have here. Now, Beltran, 15 seconds to shoot. Passes to Codores. Now, Coderes. Hanap dito. Galvez ngayon may hawak ng bola. Tries for a 3-pointer. No good. Mark Fajardo with that rebound. No chance for them to tie the game or even take on the lead here. James. Passes on the outside to Salvacion. Taking up their time here. 13 seconds to shoot. To Alminye. Now, Alminye. A whistle foul para dito kay Beltran.
Now, substitution for both teams. Binabalasa dito ang players ng ating dalawang kupunan kasi napakaganda na po ng match-up. Talagang pagsapit ng ating third quarter, dito na lumalabas yung tunay na laro nitong dalawang kupunan. Now, chance again on the side of the Panthers to add or even get the lead para dito sa ating laro.
Now, James Fajardo, 6 seconds to shoot. Passes on the other corner. And that's a good 3-pointer coming from Alminye. Ito yung hinihintay natin simula ng first quarter from Alminye. At ngayon talagang binigyan na tayo ng 3-pointer dito. Now, Panthers on the lead of 1. Let's see kung anong gagawin ditong pambawi ng ating Green Serpents. 10 seconds to shoot. And that will be the ball possession of the Panthers. What a great change of momentum here.
Yes, Tin, gising na dito ang Panthers. And now, James Fajardo. Itatawid ang bola, passing the ball to Bargayo. 14 to shoot. Taking their time here, slowly but surely dapat ang gagawin dito ng ating Panthers. Bargayo on his own version of 3, no good. Pero Alminye again. What a nice move para dito kay Alminye.
Now that's a 5-point straight coming from Alminye. Babawi dito, Codores. No good on that one. Salvacion with that rebound. Good momentum from the side of the Panthers. With the absence of Coach Halmanzar, talaga nga nagawa ng paraan dito na talagang bumalik at gawin yung inspirasyon para mas lalong galingan ang laro. And that will be another 3 coming from the Panthers. Annunciation Panthers at sigurado dun sa mga nanonood sa atin ng live, kung kanina inaantok sila, ngayon talagang nabuhay yung katawan nila.
Yes.
Kung kanina double digit from the side of the ACC Green Serpents, ngayon baliktad naman po. 6 points ang hawak ngayon ng Annunciation Panthers against the ACC Green Serpents.
What a turnaround of events sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium. Talagang expect the unexpected, and of course, nasabi nga natin kanina na nagharap ito on their final appearance on that last season of Bucal. So talagang hindi tayo bibitinin ng dalawang kupunan na ito. So the show must go on for both teams. 3 minutes and 28 seconds remaining para dito sa pangatlong quarter, and 6-point lead po ang hawak dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. And now, mag-shoutout naman tayo, Tin, sa ating mga live viewers dito. Shoutout po kay Mark Joseph Rivera, kay Daryl Jan Garais, kay Ina at kay Maylene Abelita Sikan. Maraming salamat po.
Now, ACC's basketball. Let's see kung makakabawi nga ba sila dito. Jersey number 9. Passes to Beltran. 7 seconds to shoot here. Goes inside. Nagar. No good. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin para dito sa ating Green Serpents. Salvacion, secure that ball.
I love the hard work shown para dito sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Kahit na wala dito si Coach Ron, talagang napakaganda ng bawi naman dito sa third quarter nitong Annunciation Panthers. So on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, mukhang tahimik sila dito sa ating third quarter. Kailangan ulit nilang maibalik ang momentum if they want to cut the lead na hawak ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers.
At yan, parang sinasabi din ng Panthers na kahit wala si Coach, kayang-kaya nilang tumayo sa sarili nilang mga paa. And that's a great thing coming from the Panthers. And of course, kailangan gawan din ng paraan ng ACC Green Serpents. Ito nga, pagkuha ng momentum ng ating Annunciation Panthers. And El Nino fakes a one. No good on that attempt. Nagar secure that rebound. And the whistle foul there. Para dito.
Another shout out team para dito sa ating mga live audience. Shout out kay Nicole Teleda na pinapa-shout out po si Ma'am Nenita Telada. Maraming salamat po sa panunood at suporta.
Now ACC's basketball. Nagar. 56-50. Beltran on the corner. Wala pa rin para dito kay John Nico Nagar. At parang namimiss na din natin yung mga outside shooting dito ni Nagar for the ACC Green Serpents.
And for sure, those Green Serpents fans, talagang hinaantay dito yung mga 3 points na papakawalan ni Nagar because kilala dito si Nagar sa 3-point shooting. So let's see kung makakakuha na ba dito ng magandang offense itong ACC Green Serpents. Meanwhile, free throw shot ang ibibigay dito kay Bargayo.
Napakabilis nung ating third quarter pero punong-puno, siksik kung liglig para doon sa ating mga plays between the ACC and the Annunciation Panthers. Talagang kapag nag-enjoy ka, hindi mo na din talaga nakikita yung oras. 2 minutes and 4 seconds na lamang po ang meron tayo ngayon sa ating third quarter na ito. Now Bargayo for his second free throw. No good on that one. Now, Coronejo with that rebound. Passes to Nagar. We are now down to the last 2 minutes of the third quarter. Now, Galvez. Papakawalan ng isang malaking tres. Pero wala dyan. Now, Fulia. Passes to Alminye.
Panthers on the offense. 15 to shoot. No good. Offensive rebound. And now, Salvacion, wala pa din dito. And, matatawagan na rin dito ng technical. Itong head coach ng ating ACC Green Serpents. So, intense match talaga po ang nasasaksihan natin dito sa loob ng Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. And with that, Salvacion stepping on that free throw opportunity. 3 free throw if I'm not mistaken.
Dahil doon sa kanyang 3-point attempt, kanina lamang. Ngayon talaga bakbakan kung bakbakan dito sa mga players. And of course, pati mga coaching staff nakakasama na din dito.
Talagang mainit din ang sagupaan ng dalawang kupunan na ito.
Now, Salvacion. Now, let's see.
So let's wait kung ano ba ang pinag-uusapan dito between Salvacion and our officiating official. So again, patuloy dito ang free throw shot ni Salvacion and clean basket for him. What a game team para dito sa dalawang kupunan na ito. And I'm sure ang ating mga live viewers din talagang enjoy na enjoy sa panunood between these two teams. And now, They are discussing some things on the side of the court. Let's wait. No good. Para dito kay Salvacion on his last attempt. Now, 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining para dito sa pangatlong quarter. ACC needs to have a point conversion at this moment. And that's the point conversion na gustong-gusto ngayon ng fans ng Green Serpents. And na-miss nating lahat ang 3-point shots.
Now, Salvacion, 18 seconds to shoot. Babawi. Sa kabilang side in and out ball na nagkakagawan sa rebound. Galvez secured that one. Now, Nagar with 58 seconds remaining in our third quarter. Beltran naman yun ang titira. A back-to-back three-pointer coming from the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Beltran having that big 3 para dito sa ating Green Serpents. And of course, kung kanina, talagang napakaganda ng ipinapakita nila dito ng ating Green Serpents. Of course, doon din sa 3-pointer na galing kay Kabahog. Grabe talaga. Kung kanina, medyo malayo na yung puntos ng ating Annunciation, pero bumalik agad doon sa side ng ating ACC Green Serpents na 3 na lamang yung kanilang hinahabol nila dito sa kanilang kalaban.
Ayan, Tin, talagang feel natin ang knockout quarterfinals match between these two teams. And we know that these two teams, ganito talaga maglaro inside this hard court. Now, ang magiging question na lang natin is, paano magiging consistent ang dalawang kupunan na ito if they want to get and have their place on that Final Four position? Yan ang aabangan natin dito because 54 seconds na lamang ang natitira sa pangatlong quarter, and on our last quarter, 10 minutes na lamang ang pag-aagawan or pagtatrabahuhan ng dalawang kupunan na ito to build their momentum and at the same time, contributing points to their team.
Yes, maganda sanang makita to sa finals. But since we're on the quarterfinals, we need to enjoy these two great teams of our Bucal. Now, it's the Annunciation Panthers, Manlapas. Heavily guarded here. Passes to Bargayo. Bargayo ngayon will go inside. Too short for that one. Pero a second chance point will be given to him. Grabe. Grabe yung pagtatrabaho ng mga players dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. And now let's see on the side of the Green Serpents kung anong sagot nila. Nagar. Tuba ng Obra. Now Beltran again. Buno-Obra ngayon. Titira ng 3. And that will be a 3 points para dito sa ating ACC Green Serpents. Kabahog, Beltran, and Buno-Obra. Mga players ng ating ACC Green Serpents. At ngayon mukhang babawi. And that will be the end of the third quarter. Ending it 61-59. A good third quarter we've seen there. 2-point lead coming from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. We will be back. And we are back for the fourth and final quarter of the matchup para sa ating playoffs of the Annunciation Panthers and the ACC Green Serpents. And as we can see right now, 61-59. At balikan lang natin yung nangyari sa ating third quarter. Grabe po. Balikan lang ng ating mga puntos dito. And also, nagpaulan po ng tres itong ating mga players ng ating ACC Green Serpents. So now let's see. Nagar with the ball. And the ball possession will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Dalawa lamang po dito ang kanilang hinahabol. So they have the chance here to tie or even take on the lead para sa pagsimula po ng ating fourth quarter. Now Nagar with the ball. 7 seconds to shoot here. Goes inside. Papasa dito kay Bonaobra. Bonaobra. Denied. Inawal niya. Nagmamadali dito. Pero offensive rebound. And still no good.
And now, so much actions on that last seconds.
Now Bargayo will be on the free throw line. But the officials having conversations here. And we'll wait after this conversations with the officials here. 61-59. What a good matchup between the Annunciation and the ACC Green Serpents.
Again, we have a discussion at this moment. And I think magkakaroon dito ng free throw opportunity ang side ng ating Annunciation Panthers. And I think handang-handa na dito mag-report ang ating courtside reporter on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, Ali, anong balita dyan sa inyong team?
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. We are now on the last quarter of this matchup, and on this quarter, their agility and physicality is a key factor. So the boys were reminded to hustle and make sure to utilize every opportunity. Communication is also needed, so it is now the high time to showcase the Serpents' brotherhood inside the hard court, apply pressure defense, and secure their possession. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Ali, ayun nga itong ating ACC Green Serpents, doble kayod para dito sa ating fourth quarter para makuha yung panalo ngayong gabing ito. Pero on the other side, the Annunciation Panthers continuously giving us a good matchup this evening. 66-59, a 7-point lead here. At dito sa ating fourth quarter, yung magiging problema na lang nila is kung magiging consistent ba sila all throughout that remaining 8 minutes and 36 seconds. So, to hear an update, andyan po si Rain. Hi Rain, anong balita natin dyan?
Gaya nga ng sabi mo, Rick, gising na nga ang Panthers. Turning the table around, the Panthers have regained their energy, or should I say, improved their gameplay. Hungry for victory and eager to advance to the semifinals, they have been focusing on the game. Talagang pinaninindigan nila ang pagtutulungan on all aspects to be able to win. And with their heads held up high, specific plays during the last minute of the third quarter to score and defend, because every second of this game is important to the Panthers. Now, will this be the last playing quarter of the Panthers, or will they advance to the semifinals? Once again, I am Rain Reyes, the courtside resident of the Annunciation College of back in Sorsogon. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much for that information. Now, Annunciation Panthers, they really enjoy this match at this moment. So let's see kung magiging consistent na lang ba dito ang kanilang kupunan. Now it's their ball possession. Alminia to Salvacion, and now Salvacion, no good on the 3-point attempt. Alminia securing that one. And the ball possession will go on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. Now, an intense matchup between these two teams. We can feel it at this moment na itong dalawang kupunan na ito gustong-gusto makuha ang panalo this evening.
Of course. And now, let's see here on the side of the Annunciation Panthers, James Fajardo passes on the outside to Alminia. No good on that one, but Salvacion was there to get that rebound. James Fajardo again with the ball. Tries, still no good. But a whistled foul. 66-61. Seven minutes and 23 seconds remaining. Now tatawagan ng Nico Naga with that technical foul. Now Bargayo will be on the free throw line here. 66-61, 5-point lead, making it 6 para dito sa side ng ating Annunciation. Now, same ball possession. Panthers still have the chance here to widen that gap against the ACC Green Serpents.
And you know what, Tin? It's very crucial to commit an error at this moment because we are down to our 7 minutes and 23 seconds remaining for this game.
Yes, Rick, so that will be a very hard quarter for this both teams. But after that sequence, a pointer coming from the side of the Annunciation Panthers. Still a non-stop point conversion on their team. And now Galvez to answer that one. Talagang
sagutan din dito ng tres itong dalawang kupunan na ito. So this is what knockout quarterfinal feels. Napakaganda ng ipinapakitang performance for both teams. And a traveling violation sadly was called on Salvacion in that last sequence.
Now, for the side of the Annunciation Panthers, kailangan merong consistency. Ngayon, nasa kanila yung 6 na puntos na kalamangan. But for the ACC Green Serpents, they just need to tighten their offense and the defense to get on the lead. And now Serviliano serving us a great 3-pointer here. Back-to-back 3 na naman po ang ipanamalas sa atin ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now a 3-point lead here coming from the side of the Panthers. Alminia heavily guarded. Back to James Fajardo. Now to Salvacion. We'll try one more time. Salvacion, second chance. Wala pa rin Alminia. Still no good. Bargayo. Wala pa rin. For the 4th time, Bargayo. Still no good on that lost opportunities from the side of the Panthers. But Nico Dagar, no good on that last sequence. Bargayo, one more time. Denied by Galvez. Grabe. Yung opensa at defense ang ipinapakita ngayon ng ating mga players. Grabe yung mga laro natin ngayong quarterfinals. Hindi pa po ito yung ating semifinals as well as the finals. Pero grabe na yung ating nafi-film. What more kapag nasa semifinals na tayo, Rick, or even finals?
But one player on the side of the Panthers is down.
Yes, James Fajardo.
Because of that heavy fall on that last sequence together with Nagar. Let's hope na it's not.
Now let's see if James Fajardo can still play here for the remaining minutes of our 4th quarter, since he is one of the key players now of the Annunciation Panthers. But if not, he needs to rest para sa mga susunod din ng laban if ever na ang Annunciation Panthers yung makapasok sa ating semifinals.
Let's hope na it's not a serious injury on the side of the Annunciation Panthers, because we're talking about James Fajardo, one of the standout players on the side of their team. And now, back to the ball game.
Now it will be the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers.
And now Panthers, Salvacion to Bargayo, heavily guarded here. Napakaganda ng depensa dito. Ang higpit ng depensa dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Meanwhile, Salvacion fires for 3, no good. Pero andoon, itong si Mark Fajardo on the side of the Panthers. Wow, bantay sarado talaga ni Fajardo ang bola on that last sequence.
Now let's see what will be the answer here of the ACC Green Serpents. Galvez now passes on the outside to Basaysay. Basaysay tries, no good. Now, Panthers on the offense.
Alminia securing that rebound. Now, Salvacion will cross the ball on their board.
Now we're halfway through our last quarter here. Fajardo again to Alminie. The passes to Salvacion to the other side for a three-pointer, no good. But an offensive rebound. Pero stepping on the line itong si Alminie. So a lost opportunity para dito sa ating Panthers.
Substitution on both teams. Making sure na talagang dapat kargado itong lineup dito sa natitirang 4 minutes and 42 seconds, because it's very crucial at this moment to commit an error. And of course, having gift to your opponent.
Now ACC on the offense. Galvez. 10 seconds to shoot. Passes to Nagar. Nagar nahihirapan dito dahil sa depensa ng Panthers. To Bonaobra. Bonaobra. To Basaysay for a three-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound, Sevillano.
And Mark Fajardo matatawagan dito ng foul on that last sequence now.
That will be Coronejo on the free throw line. In and out ball. Para dito kay Mark Coronejo now. One more free throw for him. 72-67. Still no good. Now, Fajardo with that rebound.
Manlapas, heavily guarded here by Bonaobra.
But that will be an 8 seconds violation. Again, lost opportunity dito sa natitira nating 4 minutes and 4 seconds. Ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari.
Yes, Tina.
At meron na lamang 5 puntos na kalamangan itong ating Annunciation Panthers. So, ang daming chances na pwedeng mangyari dito. Will it be the Annunciation or the ACC Green Serpents that will go home with the win and the ticket to the semi-final round? Now, Galvez denied here. But still coming from Nagar, pero nauusan na dyan ng shot clock itong ating Green Serpents.
Again, Nagar having difficulty at this moment kasi nababantayan siya dito ng ating Annunciation Panthers. Now, Bargayo passing the ball to Bustillo. Salvacion, mid-range jumper. And another 2 points was added on the side of the Panthers. Napakagandang mid-range jumper on that last sequence para dito kay Salvacion.
Now, Buno Obra. 74-67. 7-point lead here. Now, Galvez. Long three. That's good. Bumawi agad dito si Galvez. And with that, 4 na puntos na lamang yung kanilang hinahabol nila dito against the Annunciation Panthers. Now, Bustillo. Passes on the other corner. Bargayo ngayon. No good, but Salvacion was there to get it. Now, ganito. Maganda yung pakunti-kunti. Para...
Yes, Tin. Palitan ng puntos. And another 3 points para dito kay Galvez. Back-to-back 3 points for him. And with that, naibaba dito sa 3 ang kalamangang hahabulin ng kanilang kupunan. Wow! This is the game para dito sa 2 kupunan na ito. Napakaganda ng palitan ng ating puntos. Ayaw magpatalo.
At kung mapapansin nga natin, Galvez, mainit dito sa ating 4th quarter. 2 sunod-sunod na tres po ang binigay dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Now, let's take a look at it again. Pero mamaya titignan natin yung ating mga highlights ng laro ng ACC and Annunciation Panthers. And to hear an update kung ano nga bang gagawin ngayon ng ating Annunciation Panthers, let's hear it from Rain for a quick report.
Talagang ang mapapasigaw ka sa intense matchup natin for today. Thank you, Sin and Rick. Para nga tayong binalik to the finals last season as once again, these 2 teams are showing an amazing performance. Unpredictable is the right way to describe this game dahil walang tigil ang opensa at depensa ng 2 kupuna. Patuloy natin silang subaybayan hanggang sa huling minuto ng larong ito. Once again, Rain Reyes, the courtside correspondent of the Panthers. Back to the panel.
Ayan, thank you so much, Rain, for that update. Annunciation Panthers needs to step up big time kasi nahahabol na po sila dito ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Tamang-tama nga naman ang sinabi ni Rain. Unpredictable game para sa araw na ito.
At ayan nga, Rick, now it's the ball possession of the Annunciation Panthers. Bustillo. At ngayon, for a quick report on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, let's hear it from Ali.
Well, thank you, Tin and Rick. The game is just getting fiercer as the Serpents are aggressively hissing. The last reminder to the boys is to neglect the pressure and just keep going. The Serpents are more than capable to win this matchup. Just push and work without ceasing. Now, this has been the courtside resident of Amanda Copley College Green Serpents, only here on Bucal Season 6, 1 Media TV 48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Ali. Now we can see the determination here of the ACC Green Serpents with that last sequence coming from Galvez, having that basket count with the foul. So a 3-point opportunity for their side here. 2 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. 76-75, and now we are tied on 76 all now. All the fans of the Annunciation and the ACC feels excited with the remaining time. Napakagandang laban po ng ating 2 kupunan. Now Alminia tries on the 3-pointer, no good. Mark Fajardo loses that ball, pero Alminia nakuha muli. And that's the announcement. Last 2 minutes of the matchup of the ACC and the Annunciation with the score of 76 all. Grabe, napakagandang performance coming from both teams. Kahit sino man po yung manalo dito, talagang this is really a worth it matchup between these 2 teams. Sayang lang na nagtapat sila sa ating quarterfinals. Now another 3-pointer but no good. Still no good on that second chance. Now let's see.
And now it's the Panthers ball possession, or rather ACC ball possession.
Now Bunaobra. 14 seconds to shoot here. Tied on 7-6 all. A minute and 40 seconds remaining. Now Galvez loses that. Grabe. Now this is an opportunity for the Annunciation Panthers. Sayang yon dito kay Galvez. At talagang Galvez, one of the heated players dito sa ating fourth quarter. Grabe yung ipinakita niya dito, opensa as well as the defense.
Alminia to inbound para dito sa Panthers. Looking for his teammate. And Fajardo, babalik dito sa loob ng Panthers. Heavily guarded by Bunaobra.
Now, double team para dito kay James. No good on that last sequence. And ACC having an opportunity, a ball possession here. Now, it's very exciting to watch this last 1 minute and 25 seconds of the game.
And I think magcha-challenge dito ang side ng Panthers on that last sequence kung kanino ba talaga ang last touch doon sa bolang yon. Meanwhile, mag-shoutout naman tayo team sa ating mga live viewers. Shoutout po kay Nicole Telada, Sir Mil Fajardo, John Michael Bron, Charles Dave Del Rosario, John G. Herona, John Carlo Mamonong, Carmelo Grabata, kay Jasper Abante, at kay Rain Reyes.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat na nagantabay sa atin ngayong hapon na ito. At ngayong araw na ito doon sa ating mga laro for our quarterfinals. At bukas meron pa po tayong aabangan. At talagang nakaka-excite pala yung mga ganitong laro, Rick. And now, we're seeing a great matchup between the teams here on Bucal Season 6. Kaya naman maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusubaybay up until the playoffs of our season. At ayan, ang dami pa nga nagpapa-shoutout dito sa atin. Shoutout kay Antorin, Genesis Rodriguez, Christian Anthony Bargayo, kay Jobert Barceliano Salzo, kay Dem Defeo Domanico, kay Mark Lester Babis, kay Joshua Alarcon, Decano John, Cole Anthony Sabando, Kerry Thuan, kay Judel Lucilio at kay Job Badiola. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Now, the fans of the ACC and the Annunciation Panthers, siguradong napakaganda po nung gabi ninyo ngayong araw na ito dahil sinabi nga namin, pinangakuan po namin kayo kanina na talagang maganda po yung mapapanood natin ngayong gabing ito. Now, 7-6 all, a minute and 25 seconds. And of course, big thanks to our sponsors. Sa Biggs, Elite Sportswear, HJP Pawn Shop, Havaianas, and Nguyen Sons Trading and Industries Incorporated. Now let's see. It's the ACC's basketball. Now Bunaobra. Tied on 7-6 all. Galvez now. Now tries again one more time for a three-pointer. No good. Pero a second chance point para dito sa ating Green Serpents. 2 puntos na kalamangan. James Fajardo passes to Almini. Now Salvacion with the ball. 12 seconds to shoot here. Mark Fajardo. Puna-excite pa tayo doon sa last. Again, 78 all. Are we seeing here an overtime? Or the Annunciation Panthers go home with a win? Or the ACC Green Serpents back on track here? Now Bunaobra to Galvez. 7 seconds to shoot. Goes inside. No good on that one. And the ball will stay on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. And with that, a timeout was called here on the side of the ACC Green Serpents. 78 all with only 34 seconds remaining. Grabe, ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari dito sa ating 34 seconds remaining. At we are tied on 78 all. And of course, kudos din sa lahat ng mga players natin from both sides na talagang nagbigay ng magandang laban dito. And of course, sa side ng ating Annunciation Panthers, na kahit wala si Coach Halmanzar, talagang nagawa nila ng paraan para magbigay sa atin ng napakagandang laban ngayong gabing ito. And of course, on the side of the ACC Green Serpents, Galvez, ginulat tayo sa pagpasok ng fourth quarter doon sa kanyang sunod-sunod na tres at pagpuntos dito.
And back to the ball game. 34 seconds remaining para dito sa ating laro. And ball possession po ng ating ACC Green Serpents. Tama ka nga, Tin, hindi pa natin makukonclude kung kanino mapupunta ang match na ito. 34 seconds, medyo mahaba-haba pa kahit papaano dito sa ating dalawang kupunan na ito.
Grabe, nakaka-excite kung sino nga ba yung makakapasok sa ating semi-final run. Pero sadly, inaabangan sana natin itong ating Annunciation ng ACC na magtapat sa semi-finals or sa finals. Pero quarter-finals lang tayo umabot. But still, a good matchup between these two teams. Now let's see here as the ACC Green Serpents has their ball possession. Galvez, 10 seconds to shoot here, taking up their time. Tries for a three-pointer, no good. Alminye with that rebound. 22 seconds remaining. Now, 16 seconds to shoot. James Fajardo. The audience are now standing up. 8 seconds. Bonaobra with that ball. Passes here to Sevillano. Sevillano having that two-pointer. And we only have 2 seconds remaining. Grabe, Rick. Now, with that 2 seconds, the ACC Green Serpents can have their win this afternoon or this evening. Pero titinan natin kung may magagawa pa dito ang ating Annunciation Panthers with that remaining time of 2 seconds. Now, ano kaya yung mangyayari dito with that remaining 2 seconds of the game? Now, let's take a look at it again. Sevillano getting that point. But still, it's not a secure win here. Now, let's take a deep breath.
What a game for these two incredible teams dito sa Bucal Season 6. Again, di pa po ito finals. It's just a quarterfinals round. What a game. Hindi talaga tayo binibigo ng dalawang kupunan na ito. 2 seconds.
Grabe.
Ano ang gagawin dito ng ating Panthers?
Now, James Fajardo with only 2 seconds, 63 counts remaining. James passes to Bargallo. Denied. And that's it. And the ACC Green Serpents will go home with the ticket to the semi-final round. But still, a great game of the Annunciation Panthers, even with the absence of Coach Halmanzar. What a great game for our playoffs. A good matchup between these two teams. Parang finals lang yung pinanood natin, Rick. Pero, congratulations sa ating ACC Green Serpents. At sa ating pagbabalik, it will be our best player of the game only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Leap into the limitless possibilities at the Naga College Foundation Incorporated College of Computer Studies, where your journey to becoming a tech visionary begins. We provide cutting-edge curriculum and state-of-the-art facilities to create an ideal setting for hands-on learning and innovation. We offer 4 programs where you will develop your critical thinking and problem solving, equipped with technical skills in fostering professional growth. Your future in tech starts here. Choose NCF College of Computer Studies.
Welcome to Naga College Foundation, College of Business and Management, where your future in the business world begins. We offer a variety of programs tailored to equip students with knowledge,
And here we go. Our best player of the game is brought to us by Lemon Residences. Live your dream, create memories. And together with me is our best player of the game coming from the ACC Green Serpents, none other than Grant Galvez with 22 points, 10 rebounds, 5 assists, 4 steals, and 2 blocks. So what a game para dito sa inyo sa ACC Green Serpents. So having this great and intense game against our defending champion on that last seasons. Gaano kayo kasaya ngayon kasi kayo yung lalaban para sa semifinals round?
Siyempre po, sobrang saya po kasi unang-una po, tinalo po kami nila ng 1 point lang, sa finals pa po yun, game 3. Tapos po, wala pa po ako noon kasi po ejected po ako, pero po, ngayon po, na-overcome namin yung lahat na pressure, yung pagod po, na-overcome po talaga namin kasi nagtiwala lang po kami sa isa't isa at yun po, napakasaya po, sobra, salamat kay God po, napakasaya po.
Ayan, it shows naman kung gaano kasaya ang buong ACC community sa panalong ito. Now, ano pa ang aabangan namin sa susunod na mga matches nitong ACC Green Serpents?
As usual po, ang abangan nyo po sa amin talaga, makikipagpatayan po kami sa loob, ibibigay po namin lahat kasi po, lahat naman po kami nagpagod dito eh. Lahat po na teams para sa akin deserving po. Pero po, talagang mananaig yung talagang nag-prepare po ng sobra.
Ayan, thank you and aabangan namin itong ACC Green Serpents sa mga upcoming matches. So last na lang, ibibigay ko na sa iyo ang floor to shout out all those supporters na sumuporta since day 1 up until this quarterfinals match.
Unang-una po, pinapasalamatan ko po si God kasi bago pa po talaga magsimula tong week na to, grabe na po yung pressure niya at tiniwalaan niya ako ma-overcome to. Tapos sa ka-team ko, kay Coach Badong, sa mga ka-team ko, sa mga reserve namin na nagpapagod lagi, sa lola ko na nasa event, sa family ko na laging nandyan pag sobrang stress na ako, pag sobrang down na ako sa sarili ko. Tapos po, sa mga lahat ng ACC supporters, yung mga nandun talaga since day 1, yung di bumitaw sa amin, salamat sa inyong lahat at kay Arlea, balik naman sa girlfriend ko at sa family niya. Sa lahat po ng si Coach A, sa masuporta niya, Coach B, tapos Coach Drolan po.
Ayan, maraming salamat. Again, congratulations on the win against our defending champion, the Panthers. Again, my name is Rick Puerta and together with me is our best player of the game.
And that's our best player of the game, Grant Carl Galvez. Napakagandang laban po against the Annunciation Panthers. And of course, congratulations again sa ating ACC Green Serpents dahil isa na po sila sa mga teams na maghihintay sa ating semifinal round.
Talagang sulit na sulit din itong maghapon natin dito sa Bucal Season 6 and hindi pa ito nagtatapos because tomorrow meron pa po tayong magandang basketball na matutunghayan only here sa Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. Again, magsama-sama tayo bukas. My name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Christine Alcanzo Reyes. Abangan nyo lang po ba yan dito sa Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.